Mercy City, see Prophet Jeremiah. Of David. Come and cross over with us. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all to the Mercy City crossover night tomorrow. Today night, everywhere is already show. Everywhere done show. Why never show? When the matter never starts. Come and cross over with the great prophet, senior prophet Jeremiah Papa J. Papa J. We crossover. With Papa J. We crossover. Just come and cross over with us. 2025 and the year that the Lord has made, amazing year. The year of blessings and excess favor. With the great senior prophet Jeremiah 2025, you cross over with us and excess blessing. Everything now double. Everything now double. Everything now double. With Mercy City. Everything now double. Everything now double. Enjoy the crossover with us. There's going to be a lot of celebration, a lot of jubilation, a lot of testimonies, a lot of breakthrough. Crossover with us 2025. With Papa J we crossover. With Papa J we crossover. God bless you. Follow Mercy City while we are following the great things. Breakthrough everywhere. Boku, SS miracle, SS blessing. Crossover with us 2025. With Papa J we crossover.